hidden fields feature in BreezyBit Form Builder is really easy. What you need to do is, let's say you have a student registration form, and in your Salesforce organization, you have, let's say, University of Arizona as an account, and you want each submission to go into the University of Arizona account related to that account. And so what you can do is you have the account name field here. So you just need to drag this into the hidden fields. And for the name of the account, since that's the account name, you just need to put this here, University of Arizona, and then say form. And what's going to happen is whenever a new student registers using this form, all those records will be related to the University of Arizona account record. So, but this is how you can use hidden fields. Thank you.